is so unique because it's a cosmopolitan city. You have the beautiful buildings and city skyline, but you also have like some of the world's most beautiful beaches, parks, hikes. It kind of has a combination of everything. It's green and lush. It's just a bustling city with so much great energy. If you only had a couple days here, I would definitely say head straight to Waikiki. Waikiki Beach is an iconic surfing spot. The waves are amazing, especially for beginners. You can actually rent a surfboard, you can rent a paddleboard, or you could even canoe surf, which is a really cool experience. One of the most amazing places to visit is the Iolani Palace. One of my favorite rooms to visit is the throne room, which has 2 thrones that were made for King Kalakaua and Queen Kapiolani. Foster Botanical Garden is located right near downtown Honolulu, and it's a really nice escape. The garden itself is 14 acres, and you can see an amazing collection of mature trees and tropical plants. Right next to Foster Botanical Garden is the Kuan Yin Temple, which is actually Honolulu's oldest temple, and it's a really ornate Chinese Buddhist temple. I love to go and stroll down Nu'uanu Avenue, see a lot of the different art galleries, eat lunch, and maybe shop some of the boutiques as well. I love Honolulu because it is a melting pot of so many different cultures. The food is unreal, the art is incredible, and I just think you're never gonna find another place quite like it.